Kitsune Soba is a soba noodle soup topped with Aburaage fried tofu. Dashi-based broth and sweet and salty tofu slices are so flavorful. You can make this with udon or soba noodles. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we make the Kitsune Topping. Kitsune means fox in Japanese, but it has nothing to do with the animal. It also refers to fried tofu noodle. Cut Aburaage fried tofu into 1 inch thick. Chop green onions diagonally. In a small pot, add water, sugar, mirin, sake, and soy sauce, and bring to a boil. Add the fried tofu and cook at medium-high heat for 5 minutes. Add the green onions and simmer for another 2 minutes or until the liquid is reduced. Next, we make the soup. In a medium pot, bring dashi to a boil. You can make dashi stock following our recipe or use a convenient dashi packet like this. Season with mirin, sake, soy sauce, and salt. Stir and taste. Add more salt if needed. And keep it warm. Next, boil the soba noodles according to the package. Usually it takes about 5 minutes. Strain and add the cooked noodles into the soup and simmer for a minute. And serve immediately in individual bowls and top with the kitsune fried tofu. You can also sprinkle some shichimi togarashi pepper if you like. This is a perfect lunch food on any day. Hope you give this a try.
美味しい。